Hi, I'm Connie from Promotion by the River, and in 2025, starting right now in January, I am taking part in the Vintage Christmas Quilt Along with the Fat Quarter Shop. And we're going to make this quilt by Lori Holt. You need the book. And the book actually came out, I believe, in 2016. I had it in my book collection. And then I have the kit to make the quilt. Here are all the fabrics for the outside, everything you need there. And then here are all the 4 fat quarters that came in the quilt kit to make the quilt. This is going to be fun. So for January, we're making the first 4 blocks. We are going to be making 4 different blocks in this quilt. And the quilt, we're making the 6-inch blocks. The quilt's going to finish at 66.5 by 74.5. And so I'm going to show you the 4 blocks that I made for January. This first one is the little babe in the manger. And this is a 6.5-inch block. Something that I did when I forgot to look at this. This is what came with the kit. And I know I had wondered, what is this canned fabric for? Couldn't remember. And I actually had some green fabric. So I went by the book and I made this block first. And I did the embroidery that they showed. I'm no good at embroidery. I don't like it. I probably did too many strands. So I did this. I did a couple blocks. I did the candy canes with the green background, and I did the candles. And then I realized I was using the wrong fabric. So I redid them. Like I said, this is my little block number 1, the baby in the manger, and I like it with the brown background, the tan. Block 2 is the candy canes, again, with the brown background. Block 3 is candles, 3 candles. This had a lot of little pieces. All of these have a lot. This one, I didn't get them perfectly, but you know, when it's all put together in the quilt, it will be fine. The 4th block was this, using the background fabric. I did switch my background fabric. I don't remember what one they were. I think they were showing this one. But I had bought this Lori Holt fabric that I just love. So I'm going to use that as my background fabric. And I've got my sashing strips cut. So, are you going to take part in this quilt along? It's going to be a lot of fun. I hope you enjoy it. And next month, in February, I'll show you the next 4 blocks. Thank you.